Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley if this is your first time here. Today we're going to be playing in a Jerry curl. Not a Jerry curl with our real hair, but these gorgeous extensions. This one comes from OMGqueen. We're going to jump right into it with our tresemme. I get this from Target and it comes in a 2-pack with a shampoo and conditioner. It's less than 10 bucks, it's literally like $5, but I absolutely love the conditioner for my hair extensions. So we're in the sink with maybe warm water, warmish, not too cold, not too hot. And I'm just going to go in one time and lather really good and get a good co-wash in just to clean the hair. As you guys can see, the knots were already bleached, which is a blessing. Don't know if you can see there, but I am with child. I'm pregnant and the BW bleach has definitely been getting to me lately. So it is such a help and a lifesaver that I don't have to bleach the knots on this one. But I am going to go ahead and use something that is going to help me to tint the lace and make everything blend. This is the leg spray or airbrush spray from Sally Hansen's. I have been loving this. You just spray a nice thin even coat, buff it in with a foundation brush, kind of let it set for a few seconds before you flip it over. Also, while we're here, we're going to go ahead and trim off the excess lace on the back portion of this wig. This is a 360 lace wig, so you will have excess lace in the back of the wig. Now I'm going to flip her back over and we're going to get to the styling process, and this is going to be super simple and easy from this point, especially because we have a flawless lace. I'm going to be using something you've never seen me use here. This is the tresemme mousse, or maybe I've used it and it's just been a few years, and this is going to be pretty much my styling product from this point forward. I'm going to use it on the crown of the head, on the end of the head, just pretty much from root to tip on the entire wig. I'm not going to be too stingy. The hair is towel dried and pretty much still wet, so I'll need a little less product. Remember, whenever your hair is already wet and moisturized from co-washing, you will require less styling product in the end. And this is pretty much the result. That made it super neat and defined. We're going to go a step further and use the Denman brush to kind of clump the curls and just go across one way, brushing kind of evenly through. And I think I did that twice. I let the entire wig set, so that the curls will kind of be dry and form and give the mousse time to sort of, create the curl and set. So this is what the hair looks like. It does have a pretty light to medium hold to it. I also like other mousses from Sally's, like the Care mousse. I like the Lotta Body mousse, and those have a little bit less hold. But of course, the tresemme is just easier access because it's at Target, and who doesn't go to Target at least like once a week, right? So we're not going to be doing any baby hair, so I kind of just want to finesse and make sure that the hairline looks as flawless as I can possibly get it. I'm just using the tip or edge of my flat iron to just sort of flatten everything and make it straight. The hair is semi-damp, so keep that in mind that you don't want to get too close to your hairline. And to finish it off, I'm just going to use the foundation powder. You guys can see the lace is already blending and it's pretty much the same tone and color as my scalp. But there is a little bit of a white cast or demarcation that kind of gives it away that this is a lace. So we're going to use a liquid foundation to kind of melt everything and make sure everything looks flawless. Now off camera I did cut off the excess lace, and I did install this wig with Got to Be Glue Free Spray, which is sort of a simple and quick process that you guys see in almost majority of my install videos. So I thought I could spare you for this video, and of course I probably would do it in the next. So even though we were going for a no baby hair look, I can't control it and I can't help myself. I'm going to use the 24-hour edge tamer by Eben New York to go ahead and put some baby hair, just two little pieces, like one at each side of my head, and that pretty much was the look. Although the hair was a little bit more dry at the beginning, I went ahead and co-washed it. It's been about a week since I've styled this hair, and I will say it's absolutely amazing. I haven't had any complaints, no excess tangling or shedding or anything like that. The curls have remained as is, and of course, you co-wash maybe once a week, twice a week, depending on how often you wear your wig and how often you add more product. And yeah, I think that was pretty much it for this one. Let me know your thoughts on this one, and also don't forget to subscribe. This is the look. I feel like I was going for no baby hair, and then I kind of had to do something. I kind of felt like I could see that cast right here really bad, so I kind of just covered it with that, but honestly you can't even see that because of the way the hair sits. Now this one came from OMGqueen, as you guys seen and know and seen in the title. They give you some little papers in there, and then this is the bag that the wig was in. This one is a natural, obviously it's a natural color, 16 inches, 180% density. I loved this wig. Now, not even gonna lie, I was a little bit nervous when I seen the hair and started touching it, just because it was in its natural state. It wasn't as curly as this, and it kind of, as soon as you touch it and kind of comb through it, it would get bigger and poofier. So I really wasn't sure, you know, what the texture would look like after co-washing. The great thing that the knots were already bleached, so I just went ahead and co-washed it really quickly. As I showed you, my go-to is that Tresemme. I didn't really pluck or tweeze too much, and as you guys can see here, it's super seamless. It is amazing. So imagine if I did this as a fresh install by doing the stocking cap method and using like Isha glue, which if you haven't been watching, you should be watching, and you would know that Isha is my ultimate favorite glue. Everything about this wig is absolutely gorgeous. I feel like it's a perfect length where it's not too long, but it's also, you know, not too short or a bob. So make sure you check out OMGqueen. Everything I used is linked in the description bar, as well as a link to this lace wig. Make sure you guys check it out. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Turn your post notifications on so you will be notified every time your girl uploads a video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, don't forget to subscribe. Please, please, please subscribe. We are this close to 150K, and then we will be on the road to 200K. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.